Hello everyone, I am Srinitya. I am going to explain concepts of JavaScript and Node.js. We'll first start with JavaScript fundamentals and then move on to Node.js concepts. In JavaScript, variables are used to store data. We can declare variables using let, const, and var. Var has function scope, let has block scope, while const is used for values that don't change. Then moving on to conditional statements, they help us make decisions. We have four types: simple if else, else if ladder, and switch. In simple if, one condition is checked and it is executed based on that. In if else, if the condition is true, it executes if block. If it is false, else block is executed. Else if ladder is used to execute multiple statements. And in switch, here day is equals to 3, so it directly goes to case 3 and prints Wednesday. Then moving on to arrays. Arrays store multiple values in single variable. We can access, add or remove items easily. This is the declaration of an array, and arrays can be accessed using square brackets. Here fruits of one prints banana, and these are the various operations performed on an array: push operation, pop operation, shift, unshift, and many more. Then moving on to loops. Loops allow us to run code multiple times. There are four types: for loop, while loop, do while loop, and for of loop. And these are the syntaxes in JavaScript. Moving on to functions. Functions are blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They help us reuse the code. Here, addition operation is being performed in the function. These are the parameters, and this is a return statement which will return the sum of these two numbers. Then moving on to objects. Objects store data in key value pairs and can also contain methods. This is the object, student is object, and these are the data members, and this is a method. Here to print the full object we use this, and to call the method we use this. So these are the concepts of JavaScript. Then what is Node.js? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment that allows us to run JavaScript code outside the browser. It is mostly used for building backend servers and APIs. So callback functions is a concept of Node.js. A callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function which is executed later. Here, after greeting is passed into say hello function. So this is a concept of Node.js. Then to install external packages, we use npm, which is Node Package Manager, to install external libraries or packages. So we open terminal and type npm install easyven. It is a package, so it will install it. Then to check, I have already wrote a program which is checkevent.js, so I run it and it shows the output. Now to make a Telegram chatbot, we open Telegram and search for bot father. And in here we start with the new bot, and it will create our bot and it will ask our name. So we give the username for it, and it will give a token. So we copy it and use it in our program. In VS Code, we'll create our project. I have created a project chatbot.js, which is an echo chatbot which will reply the same we ask. So we'll open Telegram, and it this is my chatbot. So I have sent a message to my bot and it replies the same. So this is my chatbot. That's a complete overview of JavaScript and Node.js concepts. Thank you.